Well, hello my YouTube friends. Today we are back with another video, this time taken by one of my visitors while his daughter was at the controls driving the Class 16 DA steam locomotive. The locomotive was on its way after having been serviced at Vlakteplaas to go and take a passenger train from Waterkloof station up to Bloemfontein, the passenger station. My friend Steve Johnson took these videos and here we can see him doing a nice close-up of the loco passing Allows with the auto manufacturer in the background, and you can see the vehicles that has been manufactured, some a bit better than others, but they've been loaded and are ready for shipping. Meanwhile, our loco is entering Waterkloof station, and you can see the passenger train standing in the platform behind this one where the loco is currently going, and it's going to come to an halt so that the diesel and steam heating car can uncouple from the train and go to the diesel depot, and then the steam loco will couple up to the passenger train. You can see it reversing into couple to the passenger train, and as in real life, coupling is not always successful. As you can see here, when the train moved forward to put some tension on the couplers in the train, it is obvious that the train did not couple correctly. So what you do then is you come back with a bit more force, making sure that it definitely makes a positive coupling, which has happened here, and now the train can depart. And they're on their way to Bloemfontein passenger station. Exiting Waterkloof, they round the curve behind East London Harbour, and there you can see the block signal changing to red, the East London Harbour's lighthouse rotating in the foreground, plus the dockside cranes and the oil depot. And as the train is going behind the oil depot on the main line, we see also the gas and oil facility and fuel facility, as well as the container depot where containers are unloaded. And then we continue back to the loco, going around the cement plant, and thereafter entering the very steep climb to Vlakteplaas, and that is behind the scenery or backdrop. And here we are back at Vlakteplaas, exiting Vlakteplaas already, ready to enter into the destination of Bloemfontein. And as we round the curve into Bloemfontein, the train stops, waiting for clearance to enter the platform. And then meanwhile, we can just have a look at the backdrop, which is a photo of the city of Bloemfontein taken from Naval Hill. And you can see the beautiful view. And those who know Bloemfontein will recognize the power station and the cooling towers. And here we have come to a stop. So as always, thank you for watching, and we trust that you will subscribe to this channel and give it a like if you enjoyed this video.